Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Sam welcoming you all once again. Today we're going to discuss about trading terminology course, and this is for all my friends and all the newbies who wants to enter this market but they don't understand what exactly the terminologies are. Sometimes it's very heavy to understand because for me, like I'll give you an example. The first time when I heard in around 2016 or 17 terminology from one of my colleagues, Bitcoin dead cat bounce, and I was like confused. How come the dead cat bounce and Bitcoin went down? Like what's happening? Like it's why is the dead cat bouncing? Somebody is throwing the dead cat, and this is what exactly I asked him. I said, bro, who throw the dead cat? And this was like hilarious. It's confusing. It is like you don't get it. Like what exactly this means? Head and shoulders, and like why are we using head and shoulders over here? It's supposed to be a shampoo. So yeah, let's begin with it. One more thing, I would request every one of you. There is a link in the description for my Telegram discussion group. It's completely free. Is there for a reason. It's there for helping people. If you are a newbie, if you want to learn trading and you want to learn about crypto, please join there. It's going to help you. It's going to help you to learn, earn, and understand the market as well. And if you're OG, then you're going to help a lot of people to understand. Crypto community is small, 8 billion people, only 4% is in crypto. So we are still small. So please join and help people as much as you can and give it to the universe, back to the universe. As much you're going to give it to the universe is going to come back to you. That's the law of attraction as well. So let's begin. Do not skip this video because see the chart. You're going to see it's green and white. There is no red. So I'm going to tell you the secret why my chart colors are like this. That's black. There is no red. Do not skip because everything is going to help you to understand, especially for the newbies, like the OGs, they do understand. But if you're not into trading, if you're not into technical analysis, this is still going to help you. You're going to learn something new. Maybe you know everything, 99%. That 1% is going to come from this. So by the way, guys, this is going to be a long video, so I'm going to make it in two parts. I'm going to divide it in two parts, chapter 1 and chapter 2. One of the secrets I'll give you in chapter 1 and the other secret I'll give you in chapter 2. There are two secrets about. One is why the colors are like this and the other one is impulse and correction. So one secret will be in this video and the other secret going to be in the other chapter, right? So let's start with it. Okay, so what is instrument? Instrument is nothing like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an instrument. Gold is an instrument. Ethereum is an instrument. So these are instruments. You can trade anything. Whatever you're trading is called an instrument. You will hear a lot of people asking you which instrument do you trade. So that means they're asking you what do you trade. So it's complicated. They could have easily asked you what do you trade, but yeah, they actually like to ask terminology just to show that yeah, they know. And what is ticker? Ticker is a short form. Like Bitcoin, short form is BTC. So that is a ticker. For Ethereum, like Ethereum is ETH. I'm sure like you know it. Gold, it's XAU. So these are the tickers. Tickers are the short forms. What you trade, you're going to write that and you're going to get it. So if you want to trade in Bitcoin USDT, you write BTC USDT. What is candlestick and why is this candles inside trading chart? What exactly is doing? Burning the retailers. Yeah, sometimes it do burns the retailers. I got burned as well. I'm sure like many got burned. So the candles, these are the candles. These are buying and selling candles. So you see this green is the bullish, this is the bearish. I'll explain you what bullish and bearish is. You can change it to the lines as well. The lines gives you the pivot points. I'll explain what pivot points are. Like the swing points, like this is the point, this is the point, this is the point. So wherever it's ending, top and bottom, so these are called, you can call it pivot points, you can call swing points. So these are it. But usually I would say the majority of us, we trade in candlesticks. Candlesticks are, there are so many, like 400, 500 different kinds of candle patterns and all, but you don't have to learn everything. You just have to understand what exactly are the nature of the candle, which will be explained to you about the candles in a different video. What is bull and bear and what these animals have to do with trading now? Candles, animals, bull have got horns, and when they hit someone, people fly up, so they push you up. So that's what bull does. Bull is going up. Bears, they got claws and they scratch you, they pull you down with their claws. So bears are bearish. That's why bearish means going down. Bulls going up, that's long. So having said that, what is long and what is short? Long is when the market is going up. The market is going up. This is going long. This is going short. This is going long. Again, this is going short. This is long and short. But this is also pivot points as well, the swing points. stay with me. At the end, I'll explain you what is impulse and what is correction as well. Do not skip the video. That's going to help you in the future, because impulse and correction, it's very important. If you understand impulse and correction correctly, you actually master it. You actually understand what exactly and how exactly to understand the whole chart scenarios. Combine it with different strategies and all. What is long and short? As I said, long is when you are longing the market, when you buy and you are expecting the market would go up, say about you came here, you analyzed and you understood the market is going to go up. So you bought over here and you long the market and you understood the market is going to go down. So you short the market. But long can be done in two ways. Two ways are spot trading and futures trading. Spot trading is when you buy something and you get equivalent value. Example, you gave $100 and you got Bitcoin or any other tokens or coins of the same value and you kept it in your wallet. Always keep it in your wallet, not in exchange. Whenever the market goes up, you sell it. So you're expecting the market should go up. But shorting can be done only one way, that is with the futures. So long can be done spot and futures. Futures is you have to do it with the exchanges. When you leverage it with $100, you can make that $100 $1,000, and you bought $1,000 of BTC from here and you went up and you sold it over here. So whatever the profit is, you keep the profit, but short is only done in one way, that is futures. You can't do spot trading for shorting the market. So when to short the market, you sell the market over here with the futures, and the market goes down, you made the profit, and then that's it. Plus, you keep your profit. SEP is your stop loss. Where say about you bought from here, you longing from here, you put your stop loss over here and your stop loss is done, and your entry is like, say about your entry is over here. S, E and P. P is for profit taking, and you took your profit over here. So SEP, right? Stop loss, entry, profit. Whenever you are trading, if in futures, you have to make sure these are done before you understand your stop loss and your entry. So your profit can be trailing, because I won't suggest taking the profit like exact. You should trail the profit. That's much better. See? Okay. So what is trend? You must have heard trend is your friend. No matter whichever industry you are, whichever industry, if there is a trend, it's your friend. Just follow the trend. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow, and it's going to give you fruits. Like it's going to be fruitful for you. So trend, like look in the chart. If I draw this trend line, so if you draw the trend line, you see this, we can see the trend is bullish. See, this has never came down below this, right? So we can see that this is going to test this one. So this is a trend line, and the trend shows that the market is bullish. When you see the trend line going down like this, you see, understand that market is bearish. So you can draw the trend line and you can understand the market trend. Right now what we saw, that is BTC is bullish by the end of this year, what I expect, and our most beginning of the next year, because it's really very bullish. And we have done the halving. I'm sure like you get confused, so let's not talk about the halving and all. Okay, let's stick to the trading terminology course. By the way, trends are three kinds. One, it's bullish. Second is bearish, and the third one is consolidation. Consolidating is even called as side waves. Let me show you. This is going up, this is bullish trend. So the trend is bullish. From here it started like 2020, this is Corona. Okay, and this is bearish. See this is going down, this is bearish trend. Okay, trend, it can even be identified with the lower low and lower high. And for the bearish and for the bullish, I'll explain you how the lower low and lower high is and the higher high and higher low is. But for now, you understand there are three kinds of trend. There is bullish, and the market is going up. Bearish, the market is going down. Consolidating, which is even called side waves, then the market is not deciding, market is indecision, and it's just going on the side waves, not going up, not going down, and it undecided. Smart money is accumulating, they're just holding it, just one shot, which is going to boom. Like for now, this one is consolidating. You can see this is just at one side. See this is consolidating, this is side waves. So what is lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high? So this sounds like confusing, like how to understand and how to identify. So let me explain you. Higher high and higher low is when the market is going up. The high word itself means the market is going higher, like going higher like a ladder. So let me show you in the chart. You can see this, the market goes up, this is one move, impulse move, and the market came down, this is higher low, this is higher low, this is higher high, this is higher low, this is higher high. Okay, still confused, right? I'm sure, like I was as well. So when the market is over here and this came down, this is lower than this. This is high, this is high low. That means this is lower than the previous high. So this is higher low. Let me write it down for you. This is higher low, this is higher high. Same, this is higher low, this is higher high, this is higher low, higher high. How, right? The question is, how do I identify higher high, higher low? The market, if you can see this, I remove this and you see this carefully. This market, this one, this candle is above this. This doesn't came below this candle. So what do we understand? That this is still above the previous low. That means the market is in a trend. So how do we identify this? This candle never came below this. This is still above the previous low, and this one was the high, came down this one, and this doesn't crossed this previous low. This is higher low, and this one, you see, this one crossed above this one. This is higher high. This one still above this previous low. This is higher low because this is high, this is low, higher low. This one again broke previous high, so it became higher high. This one again, this came below this, and this is above this low. This is higher low, right? And this is still above over here. So we understand that this is still higher high. So this gives us a bullish trend, right? That's how we identify. This is higher high and higher low. So what is lower low and lower high? Let me show you in the chart. This is Ethereum and the ticker is, yes, exactly, it's ETH. Okay, so this is a move and the market went down. You see this? Created a lower low, lower than the previous low. And then it went up. This is lower high. It's lower than the previous high. This is not crossing it. If I put the line over here, you see, this is not crossing the previous high. All right, so again, this is lower low. This is not crossing the previous one. You want to see this? See this one, right? So this is lower low. And again, this one is lower high. Let me write it down for you. This one, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So remember this, understand it, watch it again, and understand what is lower low and lower high, higher low and higher high. This is going to help you a lot to understand the bearish trend and the bullish trend, how to understand that the market is not actually crossing the previous high or actually staying below the previous high. And if it doesn't fulfill the principles, like say about this one closes above this previous one, so that means it broke the principle of the bearish trend. The bearish trend principle has been broken. Until it's following this principle, it is bearish. A higher high and higher low, till the time it's following the principle, it's bullish. But what if it breaks it? Once it breaks the principle, that means it's consolidating. It's on the sideways because it doesn't fulfill the principle of the bearish or the bullish trend. What are patterns? Patterns are something when the market is moving in a direction, the candles, they make a pattern. The pattern can be head and shoulder. Yeah, not the one we use it for the shampoo. This is a different pattern. And the diamond pattern or cup and handle. Yeah, I'm not offering a coffee or tea, by the way. Yeah, no masala tea and no Americano or something. There's a flag pattern as well. So flag pattern or double top, double bottom. By the way, double top is M pattern as well, or double bottom is W pattern as well. Say about, I'll give you an example. The market is moving like this. So this is double bottom, but this is W pattern as well. The same way, the market moved like this. So this is nothing but the M pattern as well. It could be in a different shapes, but it forms as a double bottom or double top. That is M pattern or W pattern as well. By the way, guys, there is a link in the description. Join that. It's a free link. Everything is free. You have to pay nothing. It's just like completely free. This education, these courses are free as well. And any doubt, any confusion, I'm just a message away from you. And you can join the link in the description for the group discussion. I will be available most of the time. I'm there, and even the other team members and the OGs of the cryptos are there as well. Everybody is helpful, helping each other. So even if you want to understand the blockchain or what is crypto and what projects are there, which narrative is going on, you can ask any any questions, feel free to ask. It's a free group discussion. So join the link in the Telegram, and it's just for you guys. It's just for you. So whatever we have learned, our skill, knowledge, experience, everything, just we're going to give it back. And I request all the OGs watching, please join, because I understand most of the OGs are not into technical analysis, but you are quite very experienced in this crypto industry. Your contribution is going to be very helpful for the community as well. Give your contribution, share your knowledge and your experience, your skills. That's going to help a lot of newbies. This is the way we are going to grow. The community of crypto is going to grow like this. So if we want to grow, we have to share it, and we have to attract people, because there are so many people who wants to learn, who wants to join the crypto industry, but they are actually lacking with the experience and the knowledge what we can contribute as well. So please, the OGs and the newbies, join the group, and that will be really appreciating as well. Thank you.